Hi everyone, this is Chris. Welcome to PA Home. Let us have brief introduce our company. This is our China showroom of 3,600 square meters. There are various new designs and new styles. For example, new light luxury, new modernity, French style, etc., including kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, bathroom vanities, study room, dining room, living room, and other furniture cabinets. In addition, we also have a full range of customized aluminum light doors and windows, interior doors, wall panels, and bathroom fixtures. This is our office area. Now our team has a total of 280 people. It's really a strong team. Here is our sales department. We have professional knowledge about international market and export procedure in the industry, can understand your needs clearly and provide accurate solutions according to the project information. And here is our design department. We have rich, experienced designers who can understand your requirements and catch the styles from different backgrounds to provide more improvement design solutions. PA Home team take meticulous work in production, research and development, sales, design and installation for one-stop service. We always set high standards for ourselves. Welcome to visit our showroom and factory.